Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial on Linux command. In today's video, we will dive deep into unique command in Linux, a tool that's often overlooked but incredibly powerful for text processing and data analysis. Whether you are a system administrator or a developer, understanding unique command can save your time and make your workflow more efficient. Let's see the manual page for unique command. Unique stands UNIQ. This is the command. This stands for unique, and as the name suggests, it used to filter out or process duplicate lines in a file or a output. But there is a catch. Unique works only with the sorted data. So if your data is not sorted, you might not get the expected result. Keep that in mind as we move forward. The basic syntax for unique command is straightforward: unique option space input file and output file. Let's break this down with an example. Imagine you have a file with the name duplicate.txt. This is a dummy file I have already created. So in this file you can see, to filter out duplicate lines, let's sort this file first. I will use sort duplicate.txt pipe grep unique. So unique only consider consecutive duplicate lines, which is why sorting is crucial. Counting duplicate files. Now let's say you want to know how many times each line appears in a file. You can use -c option. Use the same command. After unique, use -c as an option. It will tell you how many times the word has been repeated in the file. This is especially useful for analyzing logs or debugging issues where duplicate entries matters. As a system administrator, you might want to analyze failed login attempts from the where logs secure. So for that, I will use grep. I want to see failed, let's assume failed password where log secure. This is the file. Let me use awk print and $nf pipe grep. Now sort it and use unique command with followed by -c option. So it requires sudo privileges. Give the sudo password. So here you can see it appears 7 times and 4 times in secure files. So I forgot to give sudo password. Okay. This command counts failed login attempts by username. So to focus on lines that are duplicated, use the option -d. Sort duplicate by unique -d. Here, this is useful when you want to isolate the repeated entries in a dataset. Developer can use this to find duplicate function names or a variable in code snippets extracted to a file. If you want to see only the lines that are not repeated, you can use -u. This is not repeated. Let's see. Let's cat this file. Here you can see only this name is not repeated in a entire file. That's why we received only Charlie as output. This is useful for identifying unique records in dataset or logs. In some case, especially when machine readable logs, you may deal with null terminate lines. You can use -z option to process such files. -z duplicates. So you might not use this often unless working with a structured data formats like CSVs or JSON files. Comparing a specific field like I have a file, let me check that log.txt. So here let's use -f option to skip the first n fields. Fields are separated by a space when comparing the lines. I will use uniq -f1 log.txt. So here you can see -f space followed by 1 tells uniq to ignore the first field, that is the date, and compares the line based on the remaining fields. Or else if they have compared this one, so everything will be skipped. So we here you can see it, we have comparing the second line. Based on the second line, the remaining field is been compared. You can use -s option to skip the first n characters in each line when comparing the command. Uniq -s11 log.txt. Here you can see -s11 skips the first 11 characters, the date and a space, and compares lines based only on the text starting from the 12 characters. You can combine these options for more granular comparison. You can use uniq -f1 -s5 log.txt. Like this also you can compare. This command skips the first field -f1 and additionally skips the next 5 characters in the remaining part of the lines. Sometimes you want to limit comparison to the first few characters of each line. Use -w space n option. So I have created a dummy file data.txt. Here you can see this is a file. Now I will use -w option to limit the comparison to the first n characters of each lines. Uniq -w 7 data.txt. Here you can see -w 7 limits the comparison to the first 7 characters of each line. In this case, lines starting with the same 7 characters like error, colon 0, um, error, colon, or warning are considered duplicates. That's why we received only these two outputs. In real world use case, this is useful when you are only caring about identifying the entries based on a prefix such as log level, error or warning, or etc. Lines may differ after the prefix but still need to be grouped by their initial character. So let's see some of the tips for the users. For log analysis, use uniq with grep and awk to extract meaningful insights from the log like where log secure or where log httpd/access logs. File pre-processing, for that before running uniq command, always sort your files using the sort command. Combine it with option like -n or -r for numerical or reverse sorting. Combining commands, for that you can pair with uniq with awk or seed command or cut command for powerful data manipulation pipeline. That's it for today's deep dive into uniq command on Rocky Linux. We covered the syntax options like -c, -d, -u, and the real world scenarios for developer and system administrator. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you use uniq command in your daily task. Thanks for watching.